Hi Amazers, welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. Please make sure to watch till the end, and if you have any questions you can leave them in the comment section. Please remember to like the video and subscribe. Thank you. So today we'll start with the Venn diagram, and before we do the shading of the two sets, we're going to define what is a Venn diagram. So Venn diagram is a pictorial representation of the relationship between sets. So it's just a pictorial representation of the relationship between sets, and we look at 9 of them. So we're gonna draw it and then we shade it out. I'll give you an example to understand better. So the first one is A intersection B. So this one is notation for intersection, or what is common between the two sets. So we have so in a Venn diagram we have the rectangle, which represents the universal set, and then we have now the two sets, which are A and B. So A and B. So intersection is what is common between those two sets. We have that. So for example, you have A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and then set B has 2, 3, 6, and 7. So the common numbers will be 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 is in the middle. So that's the intersection, A intersecting with B. And just to expound a little bit more on this one, so we're saying that 2 and 3 would be inside there, and then A has 1 and 4, B has 2, 3, 6, 7, so 6 and 7. Now we can move on to the second one, which is number 2, A union B. So this one is union or all together. So all the members in both sets. Okay, so we have the universal set. The universal set, and then we have A and B. We're still gonna use this number. Sorry, so 2 A and B. So we have A and B. We can put the numbers in. So set B has 2, 3, 7, and 6, like the previous one. So we can put the numbers in. So what is common? We have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3, and then A has 1 and 4, B has 6 and 7. So union means all the members together. So A union B would be F all the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7. So that region would be denoted by this. So I'm gonna shade out both sets. Okay, so that's A union B. Now we can go to the third one. Number 3, we have A complement. So this one means complement, or what is outside the set, that specific set. So let me draw the universal set. So we have the universal set, we have A and B. and B. For the set we said we have 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then for B is 2, 3, 6 and 7. So what is outside A? All the members that are not inside of A, that's the complement. So all the members outside of A are 6 and 7. So 6 and 7. Okay, so if you're to put these numbers in, we'd have this one already we had 1, 4. This one was 6 and 7. This is 2 and 3. So when you're shading it out, 6 and 7, this one is outside. So don't shade anything inside of A. You want anything outside of it. And at the end of the video, I'll just clean it up. I'll draw the Venn diagrams again without the numbers. So please make sure to watch till the end. So number 3 also we need to shade out outside of A and B. Because you want everything outside of A, and this is A. So everything outside, including this region. Okay. Number 4, now we have A intersecting with complement of B. So A intersecting with complement of B. Once again, we draw the Venn diagram. So we have A and B. Here we said it was 1, 2, 3 and 4. The members of B are 2, 3, 6 and 7. So what is outside of B? Outside of B will be the members that are not in this set. Outside of B would be 1 and 4. And by the way, you can pause the video and try it out as I'm doing it and see whether you can get it by yourself. So the members are 1, 4, 2, 3 and 6, 7. So when you're shading it out, so you don't want anything to do with this circle, you don't want anything to do with this set B. So you shade out A. Number 5, complement of A intersecting with B. That was not a straight line. Okay, so we have A and B. A and B. And A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equals to 2, 3, 6 and 7. Complement of A is 6 and 7. So what is outside of A is 6 and 7. Now we have the numbers here, 1 and 4. And then we have 2, 3 and 6, 7. So when it comes to shading out, so we want everything outside of A, which is 6 and 7, intersecting with B. Intersecting again with B, what is common there? It's 6 and 7. So we're going to shade out this portion of B only. So we're going to shade out everything in B except to what is intersecting with A and B. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. Now let's see. We have A union that. Okay. So this one, since you have the numbers here, I don't think I'll write them again. So A and B. So I'll just write the final thing here. So we have A intersecting with, A union not in B. So all the members in A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then outside of B we have 1 and 4. So in total, all the members are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now when it comes to shading, okay, let's put the numbers. We have 1 and 4, 2, 3, 6, and 7. To a 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4. And since it's union, we need to include the outside part, this outside region. So we do also that. So with union, it's a bit different from the intersection. You see, for intersection, you don't shade out this outside region. For union, we have to shade out the outside region as well. Same thing we did here. Outside of A would also be inclusive of this region. Now on to number 7. We have outside of A, complement of A, union B. So A and B. And for this one, we can use the elements, the same one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. B we can use 2, 3, 6, 7. Outside of A would be all the members that are not here, but are here. So we have 6 and 7. Now let's put them inside. So we have 1 and 4, 2 and 3 is common, 6 and 7. Then shading out would be, okay, so let's put this one outside of A union B. So this one, 6 and 7 together with this. So 2, 3, 6 and 7. So that means we're shading out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in addition to that. So remember, with union, you have to shade out this part as well. Okay, so that's number 7. Now we go to number 8. Number 8, we have A in complement of A, union complement of B, and this is the same as doing A intersecting with B, but outside of that. It's outside of that region. A and B. So we're seeing that that one was 6 and 7. Complement of B, that is the members that are not in B, that are outside of B. Since we have 2, 3, 6, and 7 as B, so outside of that we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4, and therefore complement of A union complement of B would be all this, including the outside part as well. So that would be 1, 4, 6, and 7. And this one, I said it's the same as that one. So if we had A intersecting with B, okay, let me put the numbers here. So 2, 3, 6, 7, 1, and 4. A intersecting with B is 2 and 3. So therefore, the members that are outside that region, the members that are not within this region would be the members that are not within this region would be 1, 4, 6, 7. 6 and 7. So when it comes to shading out, when it comes to shading out, we won't shade out this region. Okay, so we're just gonna shade out the region that has 1, 4, 6, and 7. So that region 1, 4, 6, and 7. And since it's a union, then definitely shade out the outside region. Okay. Last but not least, we have number 9. So number 9 is A complement of A intersecting with B is the same as A union B, but the region outside. A and B. Okay. All right. So A union B would have been everything here, but now we want the region outside. We want the region outside. So 4, 2, 3, 6, and 7. So if we're to shade out A union B the same way we did in number 2, let me just show you number 2. So A union B would be this region. Now for this question we want opposite of that, or we want whatever is outside. So therefore we're gonna shade out this one. I'm gonna shade out the outside part. Because if A complement of A is 6, 7, and then B is 1, 4, complement of B is 1, 4. Therefore, A intersecting with B, complement of A intersecting with B would be the region outside, which is not this one. Okay, so that's it. Let me now compile the whole thing again. I want to draw it again, and then I'll share with you. In summary, intersection would be that region, union would be both sets. Then complement of A, we need to shade out the outside part as well. Number 4, we're shading out the region outside of A only. Sorry, the region outside of B only. That's it. And then this one we shade out. Today the chicken is it the cock is crowing? The hens, yeah. So this one we shading outside of A. So outside of A. Number 6, since it's union, we have to shade out the outside part as well. I hope you're enjoying the background noise of poultry. So So we have that region, and also we have outside of B. Outside of B would be that region. Remember, it's union, so even this region is included. Okay, the next one, now this one will be the same as this, but now opposite. We're gonna shade down B. And because it's union, shade out that region. Okay. Number 8, we have the complement of A union complement of B. So this region is shaded out. So A intersecting with B, we won't shade out this region only, so we shade out the rest. And we have that. So you're shading everything apart from that intersection. Okay. And the last one, let me do it. So A union B. A union B is this region, so we want outside that region. Okay. That marks the end of our lesson on the shading of two sets. Now the next session or the next video would be on shading of 3 sets.
And follow me on IG at amaze.maths. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If you've watched till the end, please remember to like, subscribe, and you can comment. And maybe you can share with your friends. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of the day wherever you are. Enjoy your night. Thank you. Bye bye.